well, actually it's the afternoon. I am Heather Marzigliano from ON BROADWAY and HP Distribution and Miss Lillian. So, what we're gonna do is, I just have this cute little round board, and I'm going to, I want to paint it. I think I want to do like a blue and a white because it's kind of springish, but not crazy spring. Just cute. And we're going to use a white, and we're going to add this cute little "Somebody Loves You." All right, we're just going to make a really cute, really quick sign. And these are the kind of projects that you can do all the time, and you can do them with your leftover supplies and paints from doing bigger furniture pieces. Okay, all right, so we're gonna use the Nantucket blue. This is one of my favorite colors because it's so pretty. And we're gonna use Snowflake, which is just like a pretty white. Okay, I like to pour my paint, my top coats, anything I'm working with. I keep these little paper bowls around. I think they are just super helpful to have. This way I can close my paint jar, it stays clean, air stays out of it. And I'm just going to, let's kind of get this on. You know what? I have an idea. This color's really pretty too. This is Southern Junkers Mother Nature. I've been using this a bunch too. I just use chip brushes when I'm doing quick kind of crafty things. I'm gonna kind of, I don't know if I want it like a full blend or just kind of a little bit of both of these colors. Maybe we'll go, let's see what happens. I like both of these colors, so let's see how this goes down. Maybe they look pretty kind of blended from one to the other. Bring in some more light to the top. Nice and easy. See, we gotta kind of, they do blend pretty together, but I still like, I'm not gonna overly blend them. I kind of like seeing a little bit of both colors throughout. Here, I'll hold it up close so you can see that we kind of have a little bit of the colors working through each other. Wait, there we go. So pretty, right? I love these colors. These are two of my favorite colors from Miss Lillian's line, which is extensive. I think it's dry. Yeah. Okay, so I always have these foam pads. They're called rad pads. They're abrasive on the front, they're foam on the back. And you can use them big, or I actually cut them down when I'm doing smaller projects so that this one stays clean. And what I like to do, that's a little wet still. All right. So what I like to do is I like to kind of give it a quick sand. This will do two things. It's going to soften all of our paint lines, and it's also going to make our paint nice and soft and give it a smooth surface for anything we're going to do after. So we're just going to give it just a quick little sand. And it actually is pretty cool what's happening over here. I'll show you up close. But then any little bit that you don't like, you can just kind of buff it out. You can bring up some of the natural wood. And all of this would work out really great, even if it was on a piece of furniture. So just because we do a lot of stuff smaller to show you, you can still use all of these tools and tricks on bigger pieces of furniture. So see how it kind of brought it together? And all those colors are working really pretty together. now that it's nice and dry, I have my super cute, and it says "Some Bunny Loves You." And this is because since it's 14 degrees here, I am praying for spring. So I am just diving into spring crafts. I'm looking to buy spring clothes. I don't want to hear anything more about winter. I'm over it. That looks about center. And we're gonna rub it down. I kind of like to keep that little corner there because it's just easier in 5 seconds when we're going to rip it up. See, it's still still available. And this is Snowflake. We just need like a drop of it. Nothing crazy. And here is a stencil brush. Stencil brushes are shorter, firmer, and flat. And I'm going to literally, this is a Silkscreen stencil. So instead of pouncing, we're going to work in circles over the screen. I like to work quicker because I don't want the paint to dry in the stencil. So we're just going to zoom over it, give it a good second circling. And then we're going to, look at how cute! Okay, I get really excited because look at how cute that is. Love it, love it, love it. So this is super fun, it's super cute. Kind of reminds me of like an Easter egg when we dye it, that we had a couple different colors. Super cute project. Kids could do it. Here we are. Super cute project. Just a super quick, easy, fun spring project. So thank you for hanging out with me while we make it. And I will talk to you guys soon. All right, bye.